Cool. All right, so what's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here checking in again. Today, I just wanted to do a quick interview with Miss Lashawntae. She actually bought in with the lead generation service here recently, and she actually closed on her first appointment that we sent her on. So, Lashawntae, how you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. I appreciate you coming on with us.
hmm
So first, I just want to ask you, uh, how did you get started with your cleaning company?
Well, I moved here recently. To Georgia. I moved from Georgia, from Cleveland, Ohio, and the job market is kind of tough here. So I'm like, I got to do something, and I decided to start a cleaning business.
Mm-hmm.
And I saw your information, your business on Instagram, and I saw the idea to start the cleaning business on Started Black Business on Instagram.
Got
And
you.
so I just followed the procedures and I set it up and I went with your lead service and I closed on my first deal.
Wow. So that first off, you're a beast because we started Black Business, so I bought that advertising space and I actually just gave them the basic steps, which was actually they were the correct steps, but it's just the basic information. So you basically took that basic information, did it, and ran with it. That's amazing. So this was your first contract.
Yes, it is. Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So are you I don't even know where to start now. You threw me off. I thought like you was gonna say you were already in business and everything. That is crazy. I'm impressed. So
No, thank you. I just started it. I just moved to Georgia. I'm an hour away from Atlanta. I just moved here, and I'm like, if I can't find a job, I gotta hire myself. So I decided to
right,
start a cleaning business.
that's what's up. So did you already have equipment and everything? Like, did you get the equipment after you got the contract? How did that work?
I got the equipment. No, I had the equipment after I started the company. After I started it, I started getting the supplies.
Gotcha. That's exactly what I tell people. If you on a shoestring budget or if you just get started, get the contract first, and we'll worry about how we gonna get the equipment and stuff later. That's
Right.
what's up. Okay, so and you're not in Clean Biz Network either. So how did you know how to do like the contracts and stuff?
Well, basically, you can look up contracts online.
Exactly.
Um, Me and this the business owner, we didn't actually do a contract. It's like,
Mhm.
I gave him a price, a quote, he agreed to it, and I accepted it by email. So that's how I started off. But I did look up how to write up contracts online. Pretty much, you can find anything online.
Pretty much. Good. Okay, because that's exactly how I found out how to do it too. When nobody told me how. So that's what's up. All right. Well, I'm not gonna hold you too long because I know you don't have a whole lot of time. But that is just amazing. So when you bought the appointment from us, it was $125, I believe, at the time.
Yes.
Okay. And so would you say that you basically made your money back now, or you're going to make your money back now that you got the contract?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay. Okay. All right, but well, I won't hold you too much longer. I just kind of want to get you up here just so people can, because I like what I
Yeah.
learned is at first I've been trying to wait till people get such great success, and then I interview them once they hit six figures. I said, you know what? Let me just start interviewing people. Every time somebody get a new contract, I'm gonna bring them up here just to show people.
Right. I
You got
think that's good.
yeah, like you don't
Cause
have
I
to
look
wait.
at your page and I'm like, oh, is it really for real? Okay. And then I did it myself and I got my first contract. And it's a good start. It's a good contract for me just starting out too. So I really appreciate y'all help. I really
Absolutely,
do.
absolutely. Are you gonna hire employees for it, or are you gonna kind of do it yourself?
Um, well, I do have my niece. My niece helps me out.
That's what's up. Okay. All right.
Yeah, and
Well,
it went well. I went and did and cleaned the office and went good.
good, good. Is it how big is it? Like, do you mind sharing any details?
Um, I don't know, like the square footage. It's like six offices, a lobby, a kitchen. It's like medium sized office. It's a nice little like an insurance office.
Gotcha.
Um
That sounds
and
like a big one.
yeah, the owners were very nice and it's like not even 10 minutes from where I live at. So yeah, y'all hit it, y'all did it with this one. Y'all nailed it. So
Good,
it's down
good.
the street.
And how did you know how much to bid on it? How did you figure that out?
Me and him we negotiated. I mean, I just thought of something that was reasonable for when I'm cleaning, but anything, extra that I think that requires more money, we will discuss that. But just, starting out, getting the first contract, we went back and forth and I gave him a fair price and he accepted it. And, like I said, this is my first contract. I just started this business, so it was well worth it.
Definitely. That's what's up. Well, Lashawntae, congratulations to you again. And I want to, if you're open to it, I want to ask you if you invite you to Clean Biz Network to be a member, so that way we can help you continue to grow. And also I want to tell you about our calculatedclean.com website. It's a free bidding website. So, so you don't have to guess anymore. So that'll come with your membership.
That's true.
Because I was expecting you to say that.
I ain't going to be too greedy,
Right.
I ain't going to cheat myself either,
Absolutely. And that's all it comes down to. Because at the end of the day, a bid is really just an educated guess. You don't know till you get the contract to know if it's really worth it for you or not. And then if you need more, you just negotiate from there. So congratulations again to Lashawntae. I talked to you soon.
Thank you for your help, and I definitely would be getting more leads.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too.